Hi everyone. I don't know, but those of you that joined me yesterday, I made a beautiful big baked Christmas ham, and I sliced it up, and we had it for dinner last night, and we had it in our omelets this morning, and I gave some to my brand manager Mel and my mum and my next door neighbour. Anyway, I sliced up the breast, put it on a platter because my 17-year-old son is having quite a few friends over tonight. Hi everyone joining us. So I wanted to show you what I do with the big, beautiful bone that is left over when at Christmas you make or buy a ham. So I don't throw it away. Here we go, just gonna do that a little bit. What I do is, well, that's it there, Exhibit A. There's the bone and as much of the ham from it left over. So what I've done I'm gonna make a pea and ham soup. So even on the hottest of days, I have my slow cooker on my bench top all the time. It is probably my fondest electrical appliance in the kitchen because I just find 5 minutes or 10 minutes sometime at the start of the day or during the day, you bust out your slow cooker, you put some ingredients in it, you walk in 4 hours, 6 hours, 8 hours later, this beautiful aroma throughout the house and the knowledge that dinner is done. It's like the cheapest antidepressant on the marketplace, bar none, let me tell you. So what I've done, the 4 ingredients I'm using, I've got some onion, some peas, my ham, and some stock. So into my slow cooker, well, firstly what I've done, I have just sauteed my onion. So I had a red onion left over from my salsa yesterday. So I sauteed my onion. Some slow cookers will saute. So if your slow cooker does that, you can easily saute in yours. So pan is empty and those yummy smelling sauteed onions are in my pan. Now into that, I'm going to add, so I had approximately, I guess, 300 grams of peas. Now, you could use your split peas too if you have a bag of those at your disposal, but I didn't. I just had some frozen peas. So in with my frozen peas, yes, there's a few little bits of corn in there because I use the end of a bag of peas and corn as well. So then I've got my leftover ham. So this is just a ham that was shredded last night. And then I'm going to put my entire... There is still a lot of meat on and around this bone, okay, but I can't get to it because of the bone. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to put it in my slow cooker because in your slow cooker, oh, is that going to fit? Oh, bugger. Let's just see. Oh, okay, it'll kind of go down, so that's all right. In your slow cooker, all that meat will become really, really tender on a low heat for a long time, and you'll easily be able to strip the meat, the excess meat off your bone. So literally, from your Christmas ham, the idea is you waste absolutely not 1 gram of ham. So, okay, then I want to add a little bit of stock. So I've got 2 stocks here from my cupboard, my chicken and my vegetable. Now, obviously, if you're a vegetarian, you are oh, no, it's pea and ham. So you're not even choosing your vegetarian, but they were the 2 I had. Personally, for this, prefer the chicken stock. I just think it's a little bit more flavorful. So into my litre of water, I'm going to add 2 heaped tablespoons of Massel's stock powder. Now, anyone that is celiac or has someone gluten-free in their life, Massel's, the brand Massel's, a Australian company based in Bathurst from memory, and certified gluten-free. So that's a really good, all their stocks actually certified gluten-free. So Massel's, you'll pay a little more for them, but you're buying Aussie and they are gluten-free. So as a result of that, this soup is also gluten-free. So just give that a little stir. There's your stock, it's incorporated. Over your ham, your sauteed onions and your peas. And then I'm just going to turn the dial to high. It's already on high. And I'm going to cook that. So I'm going to cook that probably for around about 4 hours. And then come along, shred all the excess meat off the bone of my ham. And then let it cool for maybe 20 minutes, half an hour. And then with the stick blender, just blend it up so that we've got a really yummy, thick, delicious pea and ham soup. And then I just went to the garden and I had some fresh thyme. So I'm going to take just a little bit of that as well. I'll keep some for later for garnish, but I'm just going to add that in. It's a fifth ingredient, I know, but if, like me, you have a lovely herb garden, and I hope that you do. I love herbs, fresh herbs, because they add flavour. And when you're cooking with just 4 or fewer ingredients, you're always looking for those ingredients that add flavour. So there they go. I did the stalks and all. They'll come out later. Put your lid down, 4 hours, and that is as easy as it gets, making pea and ham soup with your leftover ham off the bone. So I've just, I bought my Crock-Pot off online actually from betta.com.au. So if you haven't liked their news Facebook page or subscribe to their newsletter, make sure you do, because they do so many great giveaways and prizes. Even my brand manager, she won an iron. Might have been, I was going to say earlier this year, but it might have been last year. But anyway, betta.com.au, go check them out as well. So anyway, I hope you're all well wherever you are joining us all from. Hello, Elizabeth Mann. Hello, Christine Ryan from Picnic Point. Beautiful. Bronwyn Simpson, yummo. I know a good pea and ham soup never goes astray. It's actually a recipe out of a little cookbook called The Easiest Slow Cooker Book Ever. So if you haven't got that one, it's probably one of the biggest selling slow cooker books in the Australian marketplace because it's so simple. And it's broken up. Usually my cookbooks are breakfast, lunches, dinners, desserts. It's broken up alphabetically. So it goes beef, chicken, lamb, pork, soups, and vegetarian. So, and desserts. It's even got a really great dessert section, believe it or not. So I don't know if you've all seen the, you know, the recipe going around at the moment, the fruit cake. In the slow cooker for 6 hours. So I haven't tried it yet, but I will at some point. So the Easiest Slow Cooker book, watch out for our Boxing Day sales. And if you haven't got yourself one of those little books, honestly, they are, that one and the Easiest One Pot Cookbook Ever are my 2 midweek go-to cookbooks probably. So Josie Duplessis, hello, love your recipes. Thanks, Jose. Rebecca Carter, Carolyn Holland, hello to you all. Kathy Herbert, hello from Werris Creek. Kathy, where's Werris Creek? I've never heard of it. Sarah Louise English, you might enjoy that. You will enjoy this. It's just a really simple, easy way to use up. So your ham, your Christmas ham. So when you can't get all that ham off the bone, put it in your slow cooker with some sauteed onions, some peas and stock, and you've got a really yummy pea and ham soup. There you go, my love. So Sunta Muscat, hello, darling, all the way down in Sydney. Hope your day is really well. Alison Carter, hello to you. Michaela Skoda, bushfires here. Praying for your safety wherever you are, and all for our, you know, our fireys as well. They're doing an extraordinary job. So maybe a cool change on the way, I don't know. It's nice and breezy here on the sunny coast today. So unlike last week, we had some real scorches. But Hazel Giddings, my husband makes a lovely pea and ham soup in our slow cooker with leftover ham. Absolutely, we waste nothing in this kitchen, Hazel. It's that country upbringing in me, that real innate frugal streak. So waste not, want not. But there you go, that's your leftover ham. For those of you that have the Easiest Slow Cooker book ever, the recipe is from it, but it's just saute your onion, add it to your slow cooker bowl with your peas. You can use split peas. I just did frozen peas with your ham bone, your ham hock, and also all your leftover ham and your stock. I used a litre of chicken stock, and that's it. Close it and cook it for around about 4 hours. Take the bone out, shred all that ham off it, add it back into that yummy soup, and then get your handheld blender and blitz it up until nice and thick and velvety and smooth. Pea and ham soup, loves. That's what's on the menu for dinner in our house tonight. Bon appetit.